That's free with the left hand. Using the left hand when you drive through the left. So this is Olympian Jun Achacoso with the left hand, driving through the left. This is the famous Jaworski using the left against several Canadian defenders in 1978 exhibition game here in Araneta Coliseum. Toyota won against 5th placer in the world, Canada. How do you do that? Practice. Practice makes perfect. Scientific, using the left hand, using the left hand, using the left hand. 10 times. Yeah. Now at the side, 10 times also. Okay. Boarding shot. And at the left hand, and you can use this to defend yourself. Okay, that's me. Okay. Using the left hand in an intramural in Adamson University. Using the right hand. The side 10 times. So you can use your left hand to ward off anybody. Okay, to use your brains, man. Now begin. Do not go too far. Just near, so you can master the right hand. Then move. Go farther. Okay, see? Okay. 10 times there. Do this 10 times this side. Okay? 10 times. Be patient. This is scientific training. Maybe no one has taught you this, but I'm going to share you. I learned this from a player and our neighbor, a very good friend, Jun Evangelista, who was a player in his heydays in San Sebastian in the 1960s. He taught me this, and I'm sharing you. So, now the left hand. Okay. So, move there. You can ward off using your right hand to ward off anybody who wants to guard you, who wants to block you. Okay. So, 10 times in that corner. You can use the boarding shots. Pabanda. Okay. Dito. Huwag kang lalayo. Malapit lang para ma-master mo, para magkaroon ng lakas yung iyong left hand. Kaya mo yan maging left and right-handed. Yan, tuturuan natin isang bata rito. Sana matuto to. Yan, tinuturuan ko siya Malit lang na bola para magkaroon siya ng confidence. Liga, lapit ka. Liga, huwag ka mahiya. Yan. Kunyari, nandiyan ang tira. Ha? Yan. Tiyan mo, paano siya tumira, hindi marunong. Tuturuan natin.